congratulations to Keragloss Salon and Beauty Products Company to be awarded by Asia Sterling Awards for the most outstanding salon and beauty products brand. You deserve this award for quality products and your dedication in sharing your 10 years of expertise in making the most effective and trusted hair treatment formula in the country.
Most outstanding permanent makeup and aesthetics training academy. Beauty International Academy Incorporated.
Congratulations, Keragloss, sa iyong second major award. Anong masasabi mo sa lahat ng mga clients at saka mga salon owners sa buong Pilipinas?
Most outstanding affordable one-stop gown rental shop. Gowns for Red Manila by Damsel.
Distributor ng Keragloss at sa lahat ng gumagamit ng Keragloss. Isinishare ko ang award nito para sa inyo. Ang First Sterling Award 2022 na natanggap ko ngayong araw na ito. Para din sa inyo ito. Ayan.
Congratulations, Keragloss.
Salamat po.